Marketing your product online, it's extremely important. Why is that? Because when you open your business, people will not just come, okay? Many business owners think that when they open their online store, that actually straight away the World Wide Web will be sending them visitors. Guys, it doesn't work like that. When you first open your online store or you have a new website, it's like an equivalent of going to a shopping center and then there being a store in B- under a locked door where you need a passcode, okay? That's kind of the equivalent of what your store is first when you open it online. So you've got to start marketing like straight away. Some business owners, they're like, oh, but I'm not ready to start marketing it because I don't have the finished website or my products. No, start marketing it now, because it's gonna it can take a little while, ideally 30 to 90 days to actually gain that real traction. So the two biggest ways you want to think about when you are thinking about marketing your store online is either what we call interruption marketing. So interruption marketing is, think about it like the first radio ad. Like people are listening to radio and like really tune into a song, and then after the song is finished, like, hey, we're selling this product. So that essentially is happening still to this date on social media, okay? So you're scrolling through your feed on Facebook, or you're flicking through on TikTok, or scrolling through on Instagram or Pinterest, whatever that platform is, and then suddenly somebody's product, either an ad or a feed, comes up. So that is called interruption marketing, because people are like hanging out on social media and then suddenly you are selling your product in between there. The other way to sell your product online and market your store properly is through what we call search marketing, okay? Search marketing is the equivalent to the old school yellow pages. These people tend to be really hot and ready to buy because they are looking for solutions. For example, in the past, when you had a broken toilet and you needed a plumber, you would just go to the yellow pages and you would be like, hey, I need a plumber right now. So that's what search marketing is about. And right now in today's world, the vast majority of search marketing is happening on Google, okay? So if somebody wants to buy a red checky dress, they're just gonna go on Google, red checky dress, and they're gonna choose which one of them they like the most, and they're very likely to be buying. So these are your two types, okay? The interruption marketing, which is social media, or your search marketing, which is essentially Google. Both of these are important, and it's really important to start working on both of these, but they have a slightly different strategy, okay? So this is the two things I want you to know about: free marketing and paid marketing. So both interruption and search marketing have a free and paid version, okay? To start with, when you're marketing your products online, I want you to start with free options. Why? Because if you start with paid options first and the algorithms do not know who your ideal customer is, you can waste a ton of money. I've seen this over and over and over. Please don't waste your money, okay? Start with free marketing first. So what you're gonna do is you will open social media accounts and start posting simple short form videos that you can cross-post on all of the other social media. So many business owners say like, oh, but what if on TikTok I have the same video as I have on Instagram and as I have on Facebook? People don't care, okay? First of all, it's a different type of person who's gonna see you on Instagram, TikTok, on Facebook. And second, even if it is the same person and they see the same piece of content, so what? It just reinforces the fact that they wanna buy your product, okay? Now, the second thing is search marketing. So what I want you to do with search marketing is, again, I want you to start with the free option, which is essentially optimizing your descriptions on your website for people who are looking for those keywords. How are you going to find what keywords are people looking for and which one of your products they are looking for? There is a super simple tool. It's called Semrush. There is, guys, a link below. We also have a whole full tutorial on how to do this for your online store. Really important to spend literally like all it takes a couple of hours on researching the right keywords, and then all you're going to do is tweak and update the product title on your page and the description, and that's all it is for your website to essentially start giving the signals to Google like, hey, we're relevant. And before you know it, you're gonna be getting those sales from Google. Like literally, we've seen one of our customers, Julia, she has increased the amount of the right visitors coming to her website by 20 times only after 3 hours of work. So it really is very worthwhile doing. Okay, once you've done this step number 1, interruption marketing, and you worked also on your search marketing a little bit, all it needs is, guys, like 30 days of like simmering, then you are ready to start running paid ads, okay? Paid ads will be a game changer of your business and will really put the jetpack fuel on your business and help you skyrocket it forward. But you've got to do that correctly, okay? So you've got to be clear on who is your ideal customer, and all of that content that you've posted previously, you will have a feedback from that content, which one is the most popular one. So you will take the most popular content and ta-da, turn it into an ad and start like putting a little bit of money on that to be getting the right visitors and right sales for your online store. So there you have it. Marketing your e-commerce store is extremely important to be getting visitors, to be getting sales, and to essentially be making money for your online store. There is a free version and a paid version. Start with free and then go for gold with the paid version. So guys, any questions about that, comment below. I'd love to see how this video helped you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time.